The Milwaukee 2663-22R impact combo is a versatile toolkit featuring a high-torque impact wrench that delivers an impressive 450 foot-pounds of torque, making it suitable for a wide range of fastening tasks. This combo kit includes a 1/2-inch anvil with a friction ring, allowing for quick and easy one-handed socket changes, enhancing efficiency during use. Designed with a robust build and rare earth magnets, the tools in this kit promise longevity, increased power, and extended runtimes, ensuring they meet demanding job requirements. The impact wrench offers consistent speed control with a variable speed trigger, allowing up to 1,900 revolutions per minute, which is ideal for precision work. Weighing in at a little over 5 kilograms, the tools are lightweight and ergonomically designed, providing comfort during prolonged use, which is perfect for professionals who need to work for extended periods. The kit also features an M12 3/8-inch ratchet, which is compact and powerful, making it an excellent choice for auto mechanics and repair professionals who require maximum performance in a cordless tool.